Alright kiddos, I am going to show you how to set up your composition notebook before you get started. Here is my example of the one I have started. These are papers I will give you next week. I'm not going to do it this week, but please just be aware when you do your 9/11 things to leave room for this. This is on the inside cover, okay? This will be your table of contents. It goes on the very first page. Notice I have nothing on mine at this point, but we'll get to that. And then on the next page, I have something called a 5 minutes no problem. Okay, so we need to leave at least the first page empty before we start our 9/11 things. Okay, so now that I have my timeline started, once you get yours done, yours should look like this. You see that? On the left side, you have something called a 5 minutes no problem. We will discuss that in class. On the right side, you start with the September 11th flip book, and then you go back to the left side, what happened, the right side, the timeline, places, rescue and recovery, One World Trade Center, reflect, understanding, and the 9/11 illustration. Now when I open it up, see, that's what that looks like. I was able to fit it in. Now please ignore my really quick coloring because I did this very quick just so you would have a reference. And then you have the information that you were reading about what happened, the flights, the time, and so on. Your timeline of events, again, that comes from the page before. Your acts of heroism and places of attack. Your rescue and recovery. Again, color this stuff. Make it look nice. I just did mine quick so you would have an idea of what we were doing. One World Trade Center and the Flight 93 and the Pentagon. And then the last part I cut off and put up there so you could see it. Well, not the last part, but the next part, the reflect. So you'd write your response on that plain piece of paper. Understanding where we have been may help us. That's the next one. And then the last one is where you put your drawings. Okay? So this is what you're to do for Thursday. Just try your best. Okay? And if not, we'll talk about it on Monday. I know this is all new to all of us. Please let me know if you need help. You can reach me anytime through Schoology.